Guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's look, I am going to be using the Soft Glam palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Thank you for clicking on this video, and without any further ado, please sit tight and let's get right into the video. So to save time, I already prepped my eyebrows, set my eyelids with concealer, and blend out the concealer on my eyelids off camera. And if you're familiar with my videos, then you probably already know how it's done, and if not, then you should probably go look at my other videos if you're really curious to see what I do to prepare for my eyeshadow looks. So I'm just taking the fluffy end of this blending brush that came with the Soft Glam palette, and I am lightly going into the shade Rustic, and I'm going to put that directly into my crease as our first transition shade. This color Rustic, it is way darker than it appears, so I made sure I went into Rustic with a very light hand, also blending it out over my crease with a very light hand. And for this look, you're gonna blend like crazy. This is the most I have ever blended with a look. So now that I'm finished thoroughly and beautifully blending out Rustic, I'm then going to go into Cypress Umber with that same fluffy brush that came with the palette, and I'm going to put that right below my crease. I'm going to blend Cypress Umber right below my crease. So now we have Rustic blended beautifully into the crease. Then we have Cypress Umber blended right below the crease. And now with our M506 brush, or a brush that's really good with detail, we're going to go into the color Noor. It's that really dark black looking shade. And we're going to put that into the outer corners of our eye to give us a really dark, smoky eye look. The pigmentation in these palettes is crazy. Like, I feel like it's more pigmented than Juvia's Place, and I don't know what it is, but this black, I was not ready. So please start off lightly. So now with my MAC Mineralized Concealer, I use the applicator that this concealer already comes with, and I cut a half cut crease. Now, I find cutting a cut crease oddly satisfying, but truly you don't need to see this because I do it so many times in my other videos. So if you really want to see how I cut my crease, you can go and watch those. But for now, we're just gonna fast forward this part. Now, for another oddly satisfying part of this tutorial, I'm spraying the flat-ended part of this brush that came with the palette with my MAC Prep and Prime spray. I'm going into the color Rose Pink, and I'm putting that into the inner corner of my eye. Now with the other side of the flat-ended brush that came with the Soft Glam palette, I'm going to go into this darker pink shimmery color, which is called Sultry, and I'm going to put that on the outer corner of our half cut crease. And then I just went ahead and added some of the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Liner just for an extra little drip, make it a little extra yummy. And lastly, I went ahead and finished the look off camera. I just added a winged liner and some eyelashes of my choice, of your choice, whatever floats your boat. And here is the look with a fully completed, finished look using foundation, concealer as highlights, some contour, some lip gloss, a little highlight in there, and setting powder. So thank you very much for clicking on this video. Be sure to comment down below. I would love to interact with you guys, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the little alert bell so that you don't miss any videos. I've been posting a lot in the last couple of days, and I think that's everything, and I'll be back very soon with another look. Thank you.